Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate mousse. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. For a truly decadent mousse, select a high-quality dark chocolate around 6 to 7 ounces. You'll also need 3 large eggs, separated, and about 1/2 cup of cold heavy cream. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and a tiny pinch of salt to balance the flavors. A dash of vanilla extract and espresso powder will deepen the chocolate notes. Now let's create the rich chocolate base. Begin by melting your 6 ounces of dark chocolate with 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. You can do this in a microwave in short bursts or over a double boiler. In a separate bowl, gently whisk your egg yolks with a 1/4 cup of sugar and a tablespoon of water over low heat until the mixture becomes thick and foamy. Slowly incorporate the warm, melted chocolate into the tempered egg yolk mixture, stirring until smooth. Allow this chocolate base to cool to just above room temperature. The key to a light and airy mousse is careful whipping and folding. In a chilled bowl, whip 1/2 cup of very cold heavy cream until it forms medium stiff peaks. In another clean bowl, beat your 3 egg whites with a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar until they hold stiff, glossy peaks. Now, gently fold about 1/3 of your whipped cream into the cooled chocolate mixture to lighten it. Then, carefully fold in the remaining whipped cream, followed by the stiff egg whites, until just combined, preserving the air. Once your mousse is assembled, it's time for the final steps. Carefully spoon the mixture into individual serving glasses or a single elegant bowl. Cover and refrigerate the mousse for at least 2 to 4 hours to allow it to set properly. Longer chilling up to overnight yields an even firmer texture. Before serving, you can enhance its appeal with a dollop of freshly whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or a few vibrant fresh berries. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly chilled chocolate mousse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.